in court to prove it. Ngicela ukhiphe lama case wami othi nginawo we-rape, ukhiphe ama case number, ukhiphe bonke ubufakazi. I'm doing it for my son. I-case number yokuqala ne yaseMondo, it's 53/05/2021 eMonjo Police Station. Cases 2336/06/202 eEldorado Park, right? Any case futhi it's 336/06/202 5305/2021. These case numbers, i-case yakhona kuloku akutholakala ubufakazi, loku akiwi indawo, kuloku kuyaphithizela kuyalela le kukhishwa imali langapha. uPrecious akanamali. I've known this for 2 years. Yes? Angaze ngamthreatenisha ngayo. Angaze ngakhuluma ngayo. Nangizwe uthi ngithini? Angaze ngamthreatenisha, angaze ngakhuluma ngayo. I-case yokuqala it's 53/05/2021 eMonjo Police Station. Any case 336/06/2021 eEldorado Park. Yes? So bengicela, the first case it's murder. The second case again it's murder. Again, they know your own brother sent a DM. I'm gonna share screenshots. Ubhuti wakho aconfessa. Ubhuti wakho lo wena obhizi ohamba nawe manje. Uphane statement sakhe because uke wadakwa confess. I've known this for 2 years. Angaze ngikhuluma. You should have spoken about me, not about my son. Boy, if mommy has to follow you for this, I'll follow you, mfana wami. Ungangikhashela inkabi mina. Take me to court if I'm lying about this.